Hello people, welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is second part of your stored procedure. Okay, in previous video we learned without arg parameters in stored procedure. In this video we are going to extract stored procedure from your MySQL into Talend with parameter. Okay, let me show you. This is my stored procedure, okay, where I am using an parameter, okay, within in operator you can see that, and my parameter name is country. So my query is select these particular columns from this table where country, okay, where country this column exists in a table where country equals to this parameter. So whatever parameter I'm going to pass in this that particular country record we are going to get. Okay, suppose it's a USA. Okay, if let me first show you uh what are the tables. Okay, so you can see in the country column it's France, USA, Australia, okay, whatever. So if I'm going to pass USA, then only USA record will be there. If I am going to pass France, then only France record will be there. So we are going to extract, and that my store procedure name is get full details. Okay. So we are using this SP in our talent job. So let's get back. Now, in previous video, you saw that we directly started from tDBSP. Okay, it's a MySQL stored procedure component. You need to use this one only. But here we need to pass some argument. All right, we need to pass argument, one argument. That's why we need to first pass the argument in this particular SP component. So for that, we have used this component, that is T fixed flow input. With the help of this component, you can just pass your data values manually, also dynamic also. So in this example, we are going to see manually. So what I have did, I created a column, okay, and this column with this particular column, I passed value as a USA. I will be changing later on, okay, USA. And now this is the main thing in my SP component. Please see, my SP name should be similar to my MySQL one, right? Let me just make okay. And in parameter, I need to pass two parameter now. First of all, country, because it will provide input to my store procedure, right? So that's why I need to include, I have created two columns in my this SP component. First one is country and second one is my result one. Okay, this is an, if you will see the type, it is an object type and this is my string type. Okay, so this is the column where I will be getting all my result. Like in the previous video we did, you can rename anything for this particular column, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is for passing your parameter and this is for your result extraction. So I have used country as my, because in previous component we have used this column to set our parameter value. So this with this particular parameter, we have used the type as in. Okay, if you will see, we have multiple option in, out, record set. Okay, so in basically used for your providing input, right? So this particular column set with in. So whatever this column has your value, that will pass as a parameter for this particular column, right? Now CNAME is my column that will be extracting the whole data, whole record which satisfy this parameter in the form of object. That's why we set its type as a record set. Okay, as in the previous video I told you to please always apply record set to extract data. Okay, now with the help of tmat, what I have done, I just extracted this column as my output because I don't need this one country column. Okay, because country column was just only for passing the parameter. It is already done. It will pass me the data now. So in the t parse record set, I only need one column on which it will be using. Okay, compare thing. Okay, so and now if you will see in my this is stored procedure, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns. Okay, so similarly, you can apply whatever column you want, okay, and just click OK. And similar value should be passed here inside the double inverted comma. Let us see. First, I have passed the parameter as a USA. the number of records I will be getting as 36, because we saw in last video that number of records for USA is 36. See, 36. One parameter passed here, whole result in one object, and that object got converted into record, 36 record. Now I will be just changing my parameter. My parameter should be France, right? So how will the number of records get changed or not? It should, because there were total 122 records. Yeah, it's 12 record. Okay, so all are related to France. So this way you can change your parameter within your job. You can make it dynamic also if you know about the fixed flow input component. Okay, depending on your requirement. So if you haven't watched previous video or you have some confusion in any point of this video, then first go and watch first video and then come back to this video. Okay, it will make your understanding very crystal clear. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.